And now, KY3 First Alert Weather.
We have a cold front moving through the Ozarks today. We had all of this rain moving through yesterday. Well, we haven't yet been impacted by that cold front. It is right up now in Kansas City, and out ahead of it, we're going to see some pockets of rain. So we're already seeing that on the radar. You'll notice just west of Springfield, some rain is starting to move in. So if you're driving towards Joplin, for example, you're going to run right into that. It's just light rain falling, not seeing any thunder mixed in with this, although some isolated thunderstorms are possible through the afternoon. So things I want you to bring with you today, even though, again, the rain is going to be very isolated in nature. I don't want you to be caught off guard if you get hit by one of those drizzles, but you need that rain jacket, and you also can't go wrong with having an umbrella on you as well. The other thing to be aware of today is that we do have some fog out there that's starting to develop, and I'm already seeing it developing, especially around the lake areas. I was looking at the lake at the Ozark Tower camera, and we're seeing some fog out in that area. We'll have some of the fog building here in Springfield, and that's just because the humidity outside right now is very high. It's sitting at 90%, and that's all because of that front coming through. After the cold front passes, we'll have dropping humidity, and it will feel much drier outside. So here's a current look at the visibility. Again, I'm seeing some fog developing around the lake areas. We actually have this dense fog advisory in effect for areas in south central Missouri. That's for us here in gray. That is until 9 a.m. this morning. Do you want to take you outside and show you those temperatures? We're sitting at 54 degrees here in Springfield, but you can see already we have reached the high temperature for the day in West Plains, sitting at 58 degrees, 58 in Harrison. This is what you call one of those top down days where we start the day warm and then we cool towards the end of the day. And that's all because of the cold front, which is currently located up near Kansas City. So as that cold front passes through, very quickly behind that cold front, those temperatures are going to drop. So ahead of the cold front, you can expect some gusty winds coming from the south. You can expect it to be humid, and again, those isolated showers behind the cold front. That's when the cooler air comes into place. Temperatures will sit in the upper 40s, lower 50s this afternoon. We'll have a northerly wind, and it will feel much cooler and drier. So afternoon temperatures will sit at 48 degrees here in Springfield. Houston, Missouri sitting at 54 degrees for the afternoon temperature. Tonight, overnight lows, we're back down to the 30s, and then tomorrow looks to be much better. We'll be sitting in the 50s with those temperatures, but we'll also have more sunshine that we can enjoy. So in terms of the rain for the day, again, just very isolated in nature. I'm not expecting widespread heavy rainfall, but as that front passes through around the noon hour, that's when we're going to see most of our rain. Then this is a look at 1 o'clock. Some thunderstorms do develop out east. So between West Plains and Eminence, those are the areas that you need to watch for seeing some of those thunderstorms. They clear out. The rest of us are dry. And again, we start to slowly lose that cloud cover late tonight. Tomorrow is looking much better than today. We're starting a little bit on the gloomy and humid side, but we do have some improvement this week. 54 and 58, those are the temperatures. That's the high. And then this afternoon, temperatures dropping. 31 and 30 I have for the overnight low temperatures. A couple things I want to point out on the 7-day forecast. We do have some days to watch for rain. Tuesday is the first one. Again, very isolated in nature. Most of it's going to fall way south of us. Wednesday looks great. We're going to be dry. We're going to be sunny. Temps in the 60s. More showers and thunderstorms possible overnight Thursday through early Friday.
All right, well, just ahead.